Morning, everybody. I am working on my tumbler that I did yesterday. The alcohol ink is dry, so I'm going to go ahead and put a coat of resin on here, and I'm going to add a little bit of a real fine glitter, just to give it a little shimmer. But I'm pretty much going to leave the cup the way it is. I was thinking about doing a glitter on it, but not everybody likes glitter. So I'm going to leave it as is and just put a little shimmer to it and leave it at that. So I've got my resin mixed up already, and I've got my glitter mixed up already. Need to, just a second, let me do something to this cup that I forgot to do. We practice safe resining around here. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to put a little resin on here and let it start. This is going to be a short video today, but I'm just going to get this flowing on here, and then I'm going to add my little bit of glitter. If you watch my video, like it and leave me a comment and share it, and I am doing a drawing tomorrow to give this away for free. A giveaway for just appreciation for watching, being a supporter. I'm just going to put a thin layer on here all over. Let it start flowing. This was a different technique. I haven't seen it done with just the alcohol ink on a tumbler without any resin. And I just wanted to see what it would do. So I'm just going to get this on here real thin, just enough where it'll start to move on its own. Make sure it's on here real good. We don't want no little spots or holes. I'll warm it up with my torch here in just a second. That'll also help it move. Get it really good around the rim. But this was fun for doing it the first time. I have some ideas now on, what I can do to improve that. But the actual cup came out pretty good, I think. I feel like it did. So, alright. I'm going to go ahead and start adding some of the, well, let me Let me just make sure I've got everything covered thoroughly. And then I'm going to hit it with the torch. My resin's really thick. It got kind of cool last night, and my resin's thick this morning. Alright, let me hit it with the torch. Get any bubbles out. I don't really see many, but sometimes. Okay. I'm going to add in my glitter, just a little bit here and there. It's just going to give it a little shimmer. It's not like glitter. It'll be a subtle shimmer in there, which will be pretty. Not everybody is a glitter person. There's a lot of people I know that don't really care for glitter. So, it'll be pretty to see what it looks like. Just a little bit of shimmer in there. Okay, I think that's all the shimmer I got. Alright, I'm going to warm this up a little bit, let it turn, and then it's just letting it cure. Cup actually came out pretty. Wasn't really sure what to expect, but alright, give me just a second. I'm running out of butane here. Always. It's kind of pretty with the little bit of sparkle, a little bit of shimmer. Not too much. Doesn't take away from the cup or the paints or any of that. Just gives it a little something something. Get a little something something that you might need. Actually very nice. Alright. I will post a picture of this after it's cured. Get it out in the sunlight, let you see it. I think that came out really well. Wasn't sure what I was going to do. I thought about putting glitter, and I thought, no, I want to leave it just like that. Just give it a little extra something. So, that was a good choice. Good choice. Alright. Alright, y'all. I'm going to jump off for now, and I'm going to get some more resin ready. I am going to be working on a base. So if you're interested in watching me do a base, stay tuned. Thank you all for watching.